Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Local Learning. So today I want to show you my progress on my seeds. Now, I don't know if you guys can notice, but some of the writing has totally vanished off of my tags. So it leaves me in a bit of a pickle. My calendula have come. My sweet peas, I haven't got anything. I think there's a little something right there. My black sesame, there's one over in the corner and one right there. My nasturtiums, only 2 of 5 came up. My marigolds in that container, let's see if I can get closer. There's one right there and one right there. My calendula here came up. My tulsi is in there. See the two or three little starts. It is one that takes a little bit longer. My peas didn't have great germination, but I did get some. Now this, I don't know. See these two? One of them is green zucchini and one of them is yellow zucchini. Now, I did put 5 in each one. I had 1 come up here and 2 come up here. So, I mean, I'm just going to plant them. My parsley is starting. Can you see that? It's starting. My dill is coming. All 5 took. I think I even got 6 or 7 in there. My cucumbers, 4 of them came. My marigolds, I didn't have great germination again, but I did get some. And my sunflowers were a complete dud. Now, we are doing some major changes to the deck, so it's a bit of a mess. Now, when I went to the garden center, some of the things that I got some new giant marigolds. I got an orange one and a yellow one. And then I got just a pack of regular marigolds. Now, don't forget when you guys have marigolds to keep your seeds. I got some of these really cute petunias. I got some lobelia in white and in the purple, and some white petunias. Over here I have some geraniums. Now in this basket I already planted one of the petunias. You can see I have a lot of chamomile coming up. This is a tulsi or holy basil that I bought from the greenhouse. Doesn't look great. Over there I have some fuchsias. What else? Now this is a new plant for me that I got. Let's see if the tag is on here. These are called Taurinia. Now it's a really pretty little flower. I really like the colors on them. Now this is a shade flower, so it has to go into the shade. And then I got 2 of these, and this is the heliotrope, the one that smells like vanilla. So I've got 2 of those. I also started this one, and I have a red geranium. I have, what are these called? Oh, it didn't come with a tag, but it's like a little petunia. And then my tulsi seeds are in here. Now they're doing much better in here than they did in the tray. And then I have my rosemary here. And, well, I have a bunch of chamomile going, so I should get a lot of that. So I don't know if you guys started any seeds when I did, but I would love to hear down below how they're working out. I've got one of my bird feeders here by the flowers because they love being by the flowers. Now, I don't know if you guys can see way over there. That's the structure of my greenhouse. Now, nothing has been done yet, but today is supposed to be the day to get some done. The wisteria blooms are fading on me, and I didn't get much for you guys. However, very interesting is the bees. I'm not getting the bees. Now, usually I can sit below the wisteria tree and hear the humming of the bees. This year, nothing. So it's going to be very interesting to see if maybe they're coming later or if I missed them all together. Maybe, I don't know, maybe they found a new place to go. But let's take a walk out to the garden. Oop. And I'll show you some of the other things that I got. Here at the bottom of my stairs, my comfrey is growing like crazy. My chives, my carnations. Over here, my carnations are doing wonderfully. I do need to chop them back. And of course, my hostas are doing great. Hello, little kitty. This is one of the homeless cats I feed. And she likes to hang out with me when I go out to the garden. Oh, Oh, you guys. Can you hear the bees? I don't know if you can hear the bees. The bees are here. Huh, amazing. Okay, I don't know what I just stepped on. So these are some peppers that I got. Now I bought all starts. You can see they're still in the pots. I just kind of stuck them out here because I've been working. My red clover is doing great, and yes, I will be bringing you a video on that. Here's some more peppers that are doing actually really nicely. My yarrows are coming back. Hello, kitty. I still haven't cut back my sage. Chives are on fire. These kales have not turned to seed yet, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. And then here I have some tomatoes. My oregano, golden oregano came back. These tomatoes are getting nice and big. Some other things that I bought. This is another Tulsi. I have some lavender, cat mint or catnip, my parsley. This doesn't look so good. This is my thyme. I should probably water it. And then more tomatoes that I just stuck in the pots out here. Now over here, oh, these need water. Look at you guys. This is the heliotrope I bought, and I'm killing it. The Dusty Miller, lobelia, and chamomile. And then over here, I have geranium. I have another, what is it called? Pineapple sage. I got to get these watered and get them into the ground. And we've got bumblebee action on the lupin. And that's it. It's a beautiful day. I really need to get my plants watered. Obviously, this is heartbreaking to see this, but we'll see how it bounces back. And that's it. It is Thursday, and I have today off, so I really have to make the most of it in getting my work done. Now, I weeded around this because that's an evening primrose, and why not? My garden is still a mess, but I have done quite a bit of work on it. Now, somewhere I got, oh, here it is. Look at it's dying too. I got a butternut squash. I haven't grown this one before, so I bought a start. And if I don't water it, it's just going to die. But I wanted to give you guys an update on what I've been up to. I still have all my material. Now I'm going to try to do not only the roof in the clear, what do they call it? Corrugated, whatever, wobble board. But I'm going to try to do the walls as well. Now, typically when you buy these boards, they're like $80 a piece. But I went with one with the blue tinge, and I think it's going to be great. And these ones were only $28, so 30 bucks a panel. And I had to get a lot of panels, and then I had to get more wood to finish the build here, but it's coming along. Now all I have to do is I have to go get my gutter system, and there's my water barrel that'll be at the back, and that over there is the back, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little update, and I will be bringing you more in the near future. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.